Hello guys, welcome back to my video. I hope you guys are doing great. So as you have seen the title, today we'll be discussing about the top 3 must-have laptop accessories in the budget. But before that, enjoy this video. So the number one item in the list is mouse, wired or wireless mouse. It will basically increase the speed of interaction between your computer. This mouse, which is from esports gaming, it looks like a gaming mouse, but it's a basic wired mouse. As you can see, the wire is braided, and it's a basic mouse. It gets the job done. I purchased it around 350 or like 400 rupees, but it gets the job done. Guys, the links to these products will be in the description down below. The reason why did I purchase this mouse is it has this braided cable. We phone out or like a rubber cable, it's a braided cable. It looks strong. It also has RGB look, which gives a good look to this mouse. And one more extra like advantage is that it has the high DPI. The speed of the mouse on your screen will be very smooth. And if you are using a large monitor or if you are using a large screen monitor, then this high DPI will help you reach the corners of the screen easily with the high DPI. And one more extra thing is that this mouse has 2 buttons, which will be helpful if you are doing like editing, multitasking or some of those stuff. And that's it guys, this is my concession, this is my personal preference. You might pick any other mouse. Basically having a separate mouse to interact with your computer, it will increase the speed of interaction with your computer. And I'll provide all the links for this product in the description. And guys, moving on to the next item in the list is the laptop sleeve. Let me show you. This is the laptop sleeve which I purchased from Amazon. Basically what it does is that it's a pouch for your laptop. You can just open it and slide your laptop in. So if you are a college going student and you carry your laptop, then you must check this item. You must definitely purchase this. It's going to be very helpful and your laptop will definitely like it. The reason for me purchasing this item is that you will definitely travel to buses or metro, or you will basically travel. And those times it's more likely to get the scratches on your laptop, or it's also possible to damage your laptop easily when you carry it just within your bag. So just sliding in your laptop into this laptop sleeve and carrying it into your backpack, it's more safe. And I have provided some best points in the budget, so please do check the links in the description. And so guys, moving on to the third item in the list is the laptop stand. If you do coding, video editing and studying for long hours, then this is going to be very helpful for you. And it will also give you the proper viewing angle so that you won't get the neck pain or the back pain. And I would personally prefer you to definitely check this item out. It's very helpful and it comes around like 300 to 400 rupees, but it's going to be worth. And also the links for this product are given in the description. And so guys, these were my recommendations. And also comment what accessories you use with your laptop, and also comment down any suggestions to improve the quality of the video. And if you want to see how to install Linux on your Windows machine, then check this video. And if you want to know how to download Skillshare courses for free, then check this video. And that is it guys, see you all in the next video, bye bye.